Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will suggest a way where you can make a lot of money by just reselling domains. I will explain the step-by-step process on how you can actually do that. In general, if you don't know what domain is, if you are browsing in the internet, you will find a URL in the top of your browser, right? So that is what a domain is. Every website or every company needs a domain. You can actually make money by buying those domains now, and if the particular thing is in demand, you can sell it. So I will explain how you can actually do that and how you can actually make money by reselling domains. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. So just go to Bluehost website. You can find the link in the description. And so I will tell you the process of how you can actually purchase a domain and resell it, and how you can actually make money out of it. Let's suppose, before jumping on into it, you need to know about latest trends. Let's suppose what is trending currently. So NFTs are trending currently, metaverse is trending currently, and if you want to make money out of that, the best way is purchasing the domains currently. And if companies have to register them, then ultimately they will contact you. Let's suppose, take an example. So let's write a website. So just search for metaverse in this page. So you will find different domains which are available with the name metaverse. So you can see these are all the websites available with the name metaverse. So metaverses long link, metaverses.rocks, web metaverse, free metaverse, metaverse.net, top metaverse, free metaverse.store. So you will find free metaverse.site, get metaverse.site. So there are various websites with the name metaverse already available. Let's suppose you have purchased a website called you have purchased a website called freemetaverse.store. So you purchase it for 4,000 rupees. Let's say if metaverse gets popular, then ultimately people will also look to sell some items related to metaverse. Then ultimately they will search for options to purchase a domain name. So if they want to start a store, then ultimately they use .store domain. If they were looking for something like a free metaverse or top metaverse in the future, then they will search for that name, and ways that you can track the people who are owning a particular domain. If they find your details, then ultimately they will email you that I want this so and so website. So you can see the most expensive domain name ever sold has come to light at $872 million. Yes, so it is cards.com. So before purchasing the cards.com domain, no one would have thought that it would go for that. You might get it for 500 rupees or 600 rupees initially, but later $872 million. This is the beauty of domain reselling. So whatever it might be, let's suppose you search about NFTs. So NFTs are trending nowadays. Let's suppose I search for a keyword NFT, and I will find many websites: nfts.link, funnft.link, allnft.link, livenfttv.com. So if someone want to set up NFT media, then ultimately they will search for something like this. So companies don't want their website look ugly, so they want a complete name. That's the reason why companies will spend lakhs and millions to purchase a domain name. So if you are the owner of that particular domain name, then ultimately you are lucky, you will get paid a lot of money. So if someone want to build a NFT gaming site, just nftgames.com is something. So if you own this domain for 849 rupees, then ultimately people who want to build such thing in the future, they will contact you and they will pay you millions. nfthost.site, little NFT game, live NFT game. So you can find many such things, but the only thing that you need to do is concentrate on trending topics. So if you know what is trending currently and what is the future technology or what is the future trend, then ultimately you can spend some money to purchase these domains. And in the later, you can also write to the companies that, yeah, if you need this, I can sell you for so and so. You can make 100x and 1000x returns by doing this domain reselling. So I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to know about it, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.